This is a 2011 Mitsubishi Lancer. This four-door sedan has a 6-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, an intercooled turbocharger, an aluminum hood, a limited-slip rear differential, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: speed-sensitive volume controls, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, 18-inch alloy wheels, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, performance tires, a rear spoiler, rear impact crumple zones, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 13,000 miles. This Mitsubishi has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.